Ready to turn your hair into a $1 million masterpiece? Let's dive into the secrets of old money hairstyles. Imagine this. You're at a swanky event, and your hair screams old money sophistication. The key? It's all about timeless elegance and subtle effort. Think chignons, sleek ponytails, and those perfectly undone waves. Step 1. Keep it simple, but polished. Start with clean, well-conditioned hair. And hey, investing in a high-quality brush? Total game changer. Step 2. Embrace the classics. A smooth bun or a low ponytail can instantly elevate your look. Add a velvet ribbon or a pearl clip for that extra touch of class. Step 3. Don't forget the finishing touches. A light mist of hairspray to keep everything in place. And a bit of shine serum for that luxe finish. Want to keep this old money vibe going? Like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.